do not own the rights to the music. They ain't fair use in a public place. We're at the Avenues Mall.
All right, my friends.
Saturday,
It is 11
second
o'clock.
Saturday of the month.
Time
They
to
go
say
from 7 a.m.
goodbye until
to 11 a.m.
August.
at the
Second
car show.
Saturday of August. Caffeine and Octane Jacksonville. We're back here 8 to 11. It is a ton of fun. Tell your friends. Tell your family members. Love to see them. Thank you, everybody, for coming on out. Thank you to our sponsors. Thank you to the Avenues Mall. Thank you to our volunteers who are incredible. We're really grateful for them. Thank you to everyone. Have a great day. Have a really safe weekend. Be blessed.